Hello, and welcome to Kupo Grip. This short video will introduce you to our Baby Kit Stand. The Baby Kit Stand is the flagship of our professional line of aluminum kit stands. The twin leg braces provide increased strength while keeping the weight to a minimum. The stand is assembled with nuts and bolts as opposed to rivets, giving the user a solid light stand that can easily be self-serviced as well as tension adjusted to the user's preferences. The High Baby features all metal knobs with steel bolts. Aluminum brake castings with internal brakes that make solid contact with the aluminum risers, giving increased braking strength and load capacity. The mounting stud is welded directly to the aluminum riser section for maximum strength and durability. To open the stand, turn a knob located at the top casting where the legs meet the stand. Grab two legs and pull apart until the leg braces are parallel to the floor. Turn the same knob clockwise until snug. Now you are ready to mount your lighting fixture. By loosening both knobs, securing the base to the main riser section, you can lower the main riser section until it makes a fourth point of contact with the ground. This not only lowers your center of gravity, but provides more stability for heavy loads in windy situations. Place your light fixture on a baby stud and tighten the set screw on the fixture's receiver. To adjust the height of your stand, loosen the knob on the top of the second riser section. Repeat the process with the next riser section until your total desired height is achieved. Best practice is to always raise the risers in order from the top down. If you don't do this on taller light stands, you will find that the uppermost risers will be out of reach. To close the stand, reverse the process. Remove the light fixture. Loosen the leg adjustment knob and bring in the legs until they are folded against the riser section. Watch your fingers. Best practice always has the knuckles, another name for the knobs, all aligned and tight when done with the stand. This way you don't have to search for the knobs when using the stand. The Baby Kit is an excellent lightweight high kit stand, thoughtfully engineered and built to last. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your vision and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.